Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Spark Experiments. My name is Harshit Pandey and I am currently pursuing BTech from NIT Kurukshetra in Computer Science Department. In this video, we'll learn about how to write and execute Spark program for word counting. So let's begin. As explained in the previous video, first let's go to our Spark shell. So we need to go to the folder where we have installed Spark and type Spark shell. Now since our Spark shell is open, we go to our code where we have the program. So this is the word counting program. First of all, we need to read our file. That is done by sc.text file. Here sc stands for Spark Context. This is the entry point in Spark. It creates the RDD. RDD stands for Resilient Distributed Dataset. That is the data unit in Spark. Now since we have read our file, we need to count the frequency of the words. This is done by the next command. Here the first we use a flat map function. This function returns multiple outputs as compared to map function. So this command splits our line based on space, so we get different words, and as since we have used a flat map function, so all the words are returned. Now we create a map using this function and we assign each and every word the value of 1. Word is our key and value is 1. Now what we do to calculate the frequency of different words, what we do is use reduce by key function. What it does is adds all the values with similar key. As told initially, word was our key and value was 1 for each word. Now what this function does is takes similar words, that is common words, and adds their values, so we get the frequency of each and every word, and this just displays the words. That is our output. So now let's run our code. For that we need to go to our Spark shell, which is up and running. Now there are two ways to run the code. I will be showing both the ways. First is we can directly copy and paste our entire code in the Spark shell and it will work as an interpreter and execute the code line by line. So this is our output. As we can see in our output, the word world comes 2 times and hello comes 1 time. Let's go to our file to see whether our output is correct or not. Here you can see since I have used a relative path, so my text file needs to be placed in the bin folder. If I want to place our text file somewhere else, I need to specify the absolute path of the file. So let's go to our file. So this is our bin folder inside Spark where we have extracted the downloaded Spark. This is our file. Here as you can see, hello comes 1 time and the frequency of world is 2 times. I've taken a simpler file just to verify our results so that we can easily make changes and see whether our result is correct. Now if I change the file and rerun my code, we can see the frequency of world is 3 and hello is 1. This can be verified from our file as well. We have 3 times world and 1 time hello. So this was the first method to run a file or a program in Spark. Now I will show how we can directly execute our entire file. For running the file directly, we have a command called load. Now we need to specify the path of the file. Here, as the file is in a different location, we need to specify the absolute path of the file, which would be this. This will be different in your case where the file is kept. Now we can run the file directory, we get the same output. So this would be it for this video. We have successfully executed our word counting program. Thank you.